How to create account on Upwork. So if you want to quickly go ahead and create an account on Upwork in the easiest way, here's what you're going to do. You're going to come over to upwork.com and here you're going to click on sign up. And once you click on sign up here, it's going to say join as a client or freelancer. So you have two options. I'm a client hiring for a project or I'm a freelancer. I'm going to go with the freelancer option right now. And once you do that, you're first of all going to add, your name and everything. Then they're going to ask you for your email. So I'm simply going to go ahead and add that. Then you have your password. So once you've gone ahead and entered your password, enter your country, agree to their terms, click on create my account. Now, once you do all of this, it might ask you for some verifications, like your phone number or maybe your email verified, etc. But if it doesn't, it's going to take you straight to the onboarding. But as you can see, for me, it went ahead and asked me to, verify and confirm my email. So I'm just quickly going to go ahead and do that for myself. And once that is done, we're simply going to go ahead into the main workings. So as you can see, here we have the email verification. And once we're verified, that's basically going to create our Upwork account. And now you're just going to go ahead and create your profile. So, whatever questions they ask, go ahead and scour through them. Make sure to, choose the right answers for them. And the reason for that is, it's just much better to optimize things for yourself. So once this is done, they're going to ask you to upload a PDF from your LinkedIn or from your profile on LinkedIn. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your profile and download everything as a PDF. So then you're going to add your professionalism, your line of work, then you have experiences. Again, make sure to go ahead and add these things. Don't skip these things, they're pretty necessary. And then you have all of this. Simply go ahead on next. Then it asks us for our skills. So, minimum five, you're going to add that, and then you're going to go on next. And then it's obviously going to ask you to write a description regarding yourself. It has to be at least 100 words, but it could go up to like 5,100 characters. So you're good to go in that case. Then once you're done with that, you're going to, add your pricings and everything. And then you're going to add your photo and location. And this will basically be the final count of, creating your account. So, just add the address that you have, enter your city, and once you do that, it's going to ask you to enter your phone number, which is also pretty compulsory. So once you've added that, simply click on review your profile and do make sure that the profile picture you add goes with their guidelines. Like make sure that it's a profile picture of your face. It has to be an actual photo of you. And then once you do that, you're going to review your profile, submit it, and that's basically about it. That is how you create an account on Upwork. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.